barometer that they use. So this is how we arrive at 90 million. Leader, before you see the other children, yes, the leader is your friend. How are you?
I shall have to come there.
George,
hello. How is it? When I came, that's you.
Excellency, the presidential candidate contacted me later and said that it would be good for us to have the chairman in attendance so we can all discuss. And I did mention to him that before now we had also thought and we had arranged that after meeting with him and meeting with a few stakeholders, we're going to also meet with the party so that we can discuss issues as they relate to our party and issues as they relate to the working of the party. Your Excellencies, distinguished colleagues, we have come here as the first phase of meeting and interacting and interfacing with the presidential candidate, his vice presidential candidate, and the party chairman, so that we can go back to our winning ways and ensure that we put this party in a pedestal of success and prosperity, so that together we can work for this nation and lead this nation and ensure victory for our party, thereby ensuring victory for our candidates. So we have come here to discuss so that issues that relate to the party and the workings of the party, to ensure that those who are aggrieved, that we can reach out to them. We have come here to discuss with our presidential candidate and his vice presidential candidate to let him know that he has full support from the Senate and that we senators will work together with him to ensure victory. You are all aware. You are all aware of the situation our country is in, and we must, as a matter of urgency, ensure that we take out this country from this problem that has bedeviled the country. Your Excellency, we are all here to work with you as a team. You have seen that everybody who is here represents one constituency or the other, and this is the shape of the entire Nigeria. Whatever we do has a resonating effect in our various constituencies, and we are here to let you know that we will go back to our constituency to ensure that we preach the gospel of PDP for us to have victory. Because very soon, tomorrow, we are likely going to go on recess, and if we go on recess, we are going to be away for a few weeks, and we'll take the opportunity to talk to our constituents about issues that we have discussed here, so that together we can lead this party to success. These are the issues that have brought us here. These are the issues that we have come to discuss with you. Other issues we'll discuss at a closed session, where we'll really discuss about strategy and plan and how we can move forward, and also to discuss with you what we need to do. With these few remarks, Your Excellency, let me end here, and then I can hand over the microphone to you so you can make a few statements, and then the press can excuse us so we can discuss further. And then after our discussion, we can go back either outside or here and let them know the key and highlights of the issues that we have discussed and the way forward. Thank you very much, Your Excellencies.
I am not a senator, I'm not a legislator. So I take my correction, distinguished senators of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Let me apologize, for the delay in the start of this meeting. Actually, we were waiting for the chairman, and unfortunately he was held in traffic, which is understandable, and I hope he will accept his apologies. I consider this meeting extremely important and crucial because since after the primaries, this is the first opportunity. We are meeting with you as PDP Senate caucus members, distinguished senators. And as the Senate minority leader said, this meeting is intended so that we can dialogue among ourselves, how we can work together to ensure the success of our party in the forthcoming elections. What is good about the membership of this meeting is that all of us are veteran politicians. We have gone through a number of elections in this country, and we know the challenges that come along with elections and also how to overcome them. I believe if we work together as a united front, we will be able to overcome those challenges. More so, we continue to witness through your own very legislative support, improve, electoral processes in the country. I want to commend you for that, and I believe we will continue to improve on our electoral processes with your support in the National Assembly, and therefore you can see such a very, very important and significant role that you play in our democratic process. I want to thank all of you for finding time to come, and again I apologize for the delay at the start of this meeting. In spite of that, I believe we will make the best use of the time of the evening, even though Abuja has become of recent extremely unsafe. I hope we will be able, within a reasonable time, to conclude the meeting so that every one of us can get back home safely. So once again, I thank you very much on behalf of Governor Okowa, Chairman Dr. Ayu, and my humble self. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, we had. First, we had a very fruitful meeting, and the issues are that it is victory or nothing. And just like I said, victory or nothing, and there's no alternative to victory. We've held our meeting, and we're set, and reconciliation is ongoing, and it's been a very fruitful meeting. Very, very fruitful meeting. And by the special grace of God, we will lead this party to victory.